That's okay. I'll shoot you guys.
We'll catch him later. He's the conejo.
He's always the leader of the
He's
pack.
totally the conejo. I'll stay out of your way. You just do your thing, man. Well done. Nice.
Okay, get me going down there.
Okay, well, not crazy because I'm skiing with one hand. No, craporama, yeah. I did not dig that so well. All right, Jerry, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
He'll follow you.
Well done, guys. I got some nice shots there, close in, snow being sprayed up on the lens. Okay, Bob, that's your convenience. I got you here, man. Okay, that's some hard snow right there. Indeed. Good hand. Sometimes getting them off when you're laying on the ground is tough.
Yeah, that one I gotta say I didn't like.
What's that?
What do I do wrong?
If you want feedback, I'll give it to you, but it. Okay, where it's easier now. Lift the toes a little more. I get this funny feeling that I'm like in bedroom slippers when I lift my toes. Like it's just really soft and easy on the snow.
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah, I was
the
wondering
head.
if you were gonna.
Thought you guys were faster than that, but you're not.
Clearly we're not, huh? Only on a
Okay.
downhill side, Jerry.
That intoxicated lefty, he got up about right under this tower.
Right
and he-
there is where he jumped.
Yeah, he jumped right there.
Oh, so this was like
Yeah,
very recent.
it was.
April 1st.
No,
Yeah,
a
it was
sec-
because you called me and I thought you were playing an April
No,
Fool's joke on
it was April 1st, so it was 2 weeks ago tomorrow.
He's going on and on and on.